Hey guys, it's Billy, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did this very natural, simple, but kind of glowy look. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and keep watching if you want to see me do this makeup. Linger between the words to say the words to remember. I'm going to start off with the ULTA Fabulous Face Primer. Basically just an everyday makeup routine that I would do if I was just going out somewhere really quick to go get food or something. I'm going to take my Cover FX liquid highlighter in the color, I believe, Celestial? Oh my god. And I'm putting it under my foundation for this like kind of dewy effect. But I don't want too much because, you know, I'm back with a beauty blender. And hopefully this blends out pretty okay. Yeah, okay. I've been using the same foundation for a while, and it's the BareMinerals bareSkin foundation. I'm sure you guys have seen me talk about it. If not, I love this stuff. It's kind of light to medium coverage, and it's very liquidy. Like, I'm just gonna take that and put a little all over my face. This is really good for natural makeup because it is so light, and it looks like it's not my color. But I swear it is. Once it's blended into my face, it looks way more natural. Okay, next I'm going to use my Instant Age Rewind concealer in Fair. Swipe it on my under eyes. And now I'm going to use the Anastasia contour stick in Fawn. Of course, gonna try to keep it natural. That one's a little higher than the other, but that's fine, we'll blend it out. And then a little here. Dazzled blush. I'm just going to take that. And I want to move on to eyebrows. I'm kind of really lazy with my eyebrows whenever I do like my natural slash kind of lazy day makeup. So I'm just going to take my NYX micro brow pencil in the color taupe. And I just kind of lightly place it into my more thin sparse spots on my eyebrows, because it's basically the whole top of it. It's just sparse. Like that. And then I take the spoolie end and blend that out. And then I just kind of drag it lightly down the tail of my brow. Lastly, for eyebrows, I just take the Make Me Brow by Essence. Got it. So that's basically it for right now for the face. I'm going to go into eyes. I'm just going to take this really fluffy brush. I'm not really sure what it's supposed to be used for. Maybe like highlighter or something. But I'm going to use it for eyeshadow. I'm just going to take Candied Peach in the Sweet Peach palette. And I'm going to put it all over my eyelid. That's basically the only color I'm going to use for my eyelid. I don't like to do much with it, and whenever I do natural makeup, I always do kind of pinky tones, pink highlights, stuff like that. Sorry, I could blend eyeshadow forever just sitting here like... Oh yeah, I'm just going to use my NYX Dolleye mascara also. This is one of my favorites that I've used. And I also love the Essence Princess Lash, I believe it's called. That's my like #1 favorite. Super focused. But normally what I do after this is I take like a brush and hold it under my lashes to make them stay a little more, because like, you know, mascara weighs down your lashes. So I just feel like it helps a little. Better? A little bit. But yeah, now I'm just going to take the end of this and kind of hold it like this for a little bit. I actually want to add a little bit more blush to my look because I feel like I do still look a little too pale for this. So I'm going to take the blush in Paaarty, which is like, wow, that was a really weird way to show you this. Look at this cute little tiny Becca highlighter. It's in the color Moonstone, and it's like a very pretty kind of champagne-ish color, I guess. Okay. It's a look. How about it? This lipstick, it is by Smashbox in the color Audition, I believe. Yes, in the color Audition. But it's this one and this other one called Frog Prince, which is my favorite. It's one of those mood-changing ones by something Queen something. Lastly, what I want to do is I'm going to take my NYX Matte Finishing Spray and just... I'm so weird about natural makeup. I just want to keep like adding more to it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. I wanted to do like a very natural, kind of simple look, this is basically my everyday look whenever I just want to go out and be kind of lazy. I don't know, maybe it's just this lighting, or maybe I just feel cuter today than most days, but I feel very cute today.